Okay, so here I put just a little bit of water. I didn't really measure. But if you want your gel to be thicker at the end, use less water. I wish I used a little bit less water so the gel would have been thicker. So I added sea moss gel in a saucepan with some water, and then I added the oils so that they would all melt down together. I did about a spoonful of castor oil and a few drops of each essential oil. The ingredients melt down pretty quickly on medium-low heat, so make sure you just stir it so all the ingredients are mixed well. So now that it's all melted down and it looks good like this, we're going to add it into this. Okay, so I forgot to add the coconut oil when I was melting everything together. So I recommend that you either melt the coconut oil with the other ingredients or just don't add coconut oil, because it ended up resurfacing at the top of the mixture anyway after it sat out in room temperature. So heads up. Here, get like a close-up on it. Okay, and then edit that part out. So then you take it. So these are the results. It crusts up a little bit. I used 2 different gels on my hair, so if you want to get rid of the crustiness, just apply a little water and a little bit of brush.